Hey builders! Welcome to an exciting journey where technology meets creativity. Ever wanted to make something smart? Something that not only works but also thinks and learns? Imagine creating a device that listens to you, understands your needs, and adapts accordingly. Now you can. We're gonna build a gadget with AI, a technology that mimics human intelligence. AI is like a brain for machines, enabling them to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. It sounds hard, but don't worry, it's not. We'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. We'll take it step by step. Imagine your gadget. What do you want it to do? Maybe it plays music when you ask, or perhaps it can control your home appliances. Maybe it tells you the weather or gives you daily reminders. With AI, you can do all sorts of cool things. The possibilities are endless. We'll use a Raspberry Pi, a versatile and powerful tool for building smart gadgets. It's like a tiny computer that can fit in your hand, yet it's capable of so much more. And guess what? You can do it. With a bit of guidance and creativity, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Get ready for some serious building fun. This is going to be an adventure you won't forget. Are you excited? I am. Let's get started and bring your ideas to life. Before we build, let's gather our tools. This step is crucial as having everything in place will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. It's like getting ready for a big adventure. Imagine you're an explorer preparing for a journey into the unknown. First, you'll need a Raspberry Pi. This tiny computer will be the heart of our project. This is the brain of our gadget. It will process all the information and control the other components. Think of it like the engine of a car. Just as the engine powers the car, the Raspberry Pi powers our project. You'll also need a breadboard. This handy tool allows us to build and test circuits without soldering. This is where we connect everything. Think of it as the foundation where all our components come together. It's like the frame of the car, holding everything in place and ensuring it all works together. We'll need jumper wires to connect everything on the breadboard. These wires are essential for creating connections between components. They're like the wires in a car, transmitting signals and power to different parts. To make our gadget hear us, we'll use a microphone. This will allow our project to pick up sound and respond to voice commands. And to make it talk back, we'll need a speaker. This component will output sound, making our project interactive. It's like giving our gadget ears and a mouth. With these, it can listen and communicate. Don't forget an SD card. This tiny storage device will hold the operating system and files for our project. It's like the memory of our gadget, storing all the important data it needs to function. And lastly, you'll need a laptop with internet. This will be our control center where we can program and monitor our project. This is our control center. Ready? Let's build. With all our tools gathered, we're set to embark on this exciting journey. Now the fun begins. We're going to connect everything. It's like building a puzzle. First, carefully plug your Raspberry Pi into the breadboard. Make sure it's secure. Now connect the microphone to the breadboard. This lets our gadget hear us. Next, connect the speaker. Now it can talk back. Make sure all the wires are connected properly. Use different colored jumper wires to keep things organized. It's like connecting the parts of a robot. See? That wasn't so hard. We're making great progress. Now that our hardware is ready, let's give it some brains. Section 4. Giving your gadget a brain. It's time to install the software. This is like teaching our gadget how to think. First, download Raspbian OS on your SD card using your laptop. This is like installing an operating system on a computer. Next, insert the SD card into your Raspberry Pi. Now, download AI libraries like Python and TensorFlow. These are tools that help our gadget understand and process information. It's like installing apps on a smartphone. This is where the magic happens. We're giving our gadget the power of AI. Pretty cool, right? Section 5. Talking to your gadget. In this section, we will explore how to communicate with your gadget using simple programming techniques. Let's teach our gadget some tricks. Imagine being able to control your device with just a few lines of code. We'll use Python, a versatile and powerful computer language, to write simple commands that your gadget can understand and execute. It's like writing instructions for our gadget to follow, step by step, making it do exactly what we want. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. With a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it in no time. For example, you can write a code that makes your gadget play a song when you say, "Play music." It's a fun way to start. Or, you can program it to tell you the weather when you ask, "What's the weather like?" The possibilities are endless, and only limited by your imagination. Remember, start with simple commands and gradually try more complex ones. This way, you build your skills step by step. You'll be amazed at what you can create. With patience and creativity, your gadget can become a powerful tool tailored to your needs. Section 6, you did it, congratulations. You've built your very own AI gadget. Now it's time to test it out. Don't worry if it doesn't work perfectly the first time. Even the best inventors make mistakes. Keep experimenting and trying new things. Share your creation with your friends and family. Show them how you built a gadget that listens and responds. You're now part of the exciting world of AI. Keep learning, keep building, and most importantly, have fun.